and welcome to part 2 of me diving into my mystery box of essential oils. Now, I forgot to mention the other day, this little wee box of 6 oils, well, has 6 oils in it, and I picked it up at a trade show maybe 25 years ago in the UK, and long since used those oils, but I've used it to hide or to store some really special oils. So let's have a look. Oh my God. So this first one is Hops Absolute. So remember, Absolutes are made by a solvent extraction. So hops normally we associate with making beer. And this was from an English company called Meadows. And no expiry date. It says that it weighed 2.5 grams. Forest Farm, Canterbury. Now, I know I probably bought this in about 1994. So it's probably one of my oldest oils. And, oh, it's going to have to be one of the ones that I use the pliers for. So Hops Absolute. Oh my God, it still smells like hops, but a really, really deep aroma. So I'd actually probably use that in a really nice perfume spray for myself. I've got about 1 gram of it left there. So let's have a look at the second bottle. And this is a lavender absolute. So again, another solvent extracted rather than our normal lavender essential oil. And this was from another really well-known UK company through the 1990s, early 2000, called Essentially Oils. So lavender absolute, and I'm pretty sure, oh yep, I can open that. I don't know if you can see in there. So there's a little bit of quite sticky sort of residue, really deep lavendery sort of smell. Again, so this is at least 25 years old. To use this, I'd probably put some pure ethanol in there and just sort of let that soak in and use that as a perfume spray for myself. What's the next one that we've got there? This is a bottle. I put something in this myself. Naughty me, I didn't label it. I know I used these blue bottles in the mid-1990s. I think it's actually some lavender oil that I helped distill at a lavender farm here in New Zealand. Let's have a smell. Hard to sort of tell. It's quite thick. Could have been lavender. I don't know. Because I'm not sure, no label or anything else, I'm not going to use that for anything. What else have I got in here? Oh, it's stuck in the box. I'll take a different one. And oh my God, so this is Gardenia Absolute. Again, also from Essentially Oils in Australia. And I've written on the label ethanol. So at some point I've put some ethanol in that just to dilute it down because it was a really, really, really viscous sort of product. So I'd probably add that to some perfume, make a little spray perfume for myself. I might even pop it in with the Hops Absolute. Get the trusty pliers. And I'm going to fish this one out of the box. What the heck is that? From what I can see of the label, I think it's the, oh, interesting, honeysuckle. And I don't know if you can see that, so there's still a little bit of something in there and has that really nice sort of sweet honeysuckle smell. I think I'm going to have to make a little blend up out of these, this little collection of samples. And we've got the last one here. It's coming out of the box. And Broom broom is actually really expensive. So broom, again, take my glasses off, Spartium junceum. And again, that was from Essentially Oils in the UK. And again, probably 25 years old. Oh my God, that's amazing. That's almost like hypnotic, euphoric. There's maybe 1/4 ml left. I'm going to use that in a blend with those other Absolutes just for myself. Because I'm not teaching, I don't need to have these samples. Absolutes don't evaporate in the same way as essential oils, and they don't tend to change their chemical composition as much, so they become more intense. So a really, really small amount of that added to an ethanol spray perfume would be amazing. So hopefully you've enjoyed this wee video and the first one. I have put information up on my blog, aromaticadventures.com. Have a look, and I'm telling you a little bit more about the oils. So that's my cute little empty box. Something's had a wee spill there. It's been battered. It's been around the world with me a few times. See you later.